welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful, perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well, no doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. We have already started here. He's gone for it! He's managed to get himself offside. Neymar has pinged one through here. Has a pop! Away from immediate danger. Tries to get it forward quickly. Tufan. Still goalless. Forward it goes. And it's Neymar. Luis Suarez has a goal! They score! And as soon as they made that